morning, dear students. Okay, so we have started the new chapter, that is arithmetic progression. So we will be continuing with that chapter. We will continue further. I have ended to example number. Question number 4. Let's see. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 is 78? Okay. Which term of this AP is 78? That we need to find out. ठीक है, इस AP का कौन सा term 78 होगा? So let us suppose that the nth term of this AP is 78, and we need to find out the value of n. So we'll apply the formula a plus n minus 1 into d equals to 78. The value of a is 3. We'll put here 3 plus n minus 1, and the value of d. Subtract any two consecutive terms to get the value of d. That is 8 minus 3 is equals to 5. Therefore the value of d is 5. चलो इसको 5 रखते हैं. 5 equals to 78. So we will get 3 उधर ले जाओ, minus का हो जाएगा n minus 1 into 5. 78 minus 3, you will get 75. So n minus 1 is equals to 75 upon 5. So n is equals to 15 plus 1, that is equals to 16. So we have got the value of n is equals to 16. Therefore 78 is the 16th term of this arithmetic progression. I hope you have understood. 78 is the 16th term of this arithmetic progression. Okay, let's move on to the next one. What we need to find out the number of terms in each of the given AP. Okay, 18, then 15 correct 1 upon 2. Okay, then 13, and then the last term is given minus का 47. Okay. Now what we need to find out, how many terms are there in this AP. इस AP में कितने terms हैं ये बताना है. तो ये कैसे बता देंगे, है ना? If somehow we are able to find out that this minus 47 is which term of this AP, है ना? ये minus 47 इस AP का कौन सा term है? अगर ये पता चल गया, then we will be able to tell that these many terms are there in the given AP, है ना? चलो, let's see. Formula ATN, Tn is equals to, now the last term is given minus 47. Okay. If somehow we are able to find out the value of n, then we will be able to know that minus 47 is that particular term of that given AP, and that many terms will be there in this given arithmetic progression. So a plus n minus 1 into t equals to minus 47. What is the value of a here? The a is 18 plus n minus 1, and the value of d, subtract any two consecutive terms. Okay, so let us do this one. Sure. So d is equals to how much you will get? 15 correct 1 upon 2 minus 18. So this is a mixed fraction converted into fraction. 31 upon 2 minus 18. Take LCM 2. 31 minus 36. You will guess minus 5 by 2. So the common difference is minus 5 by 2. We'll put the value of common difference here. Minus 5 by 2 equals to minus 47. This 18 will go to the right hand side. We will get equals to minus 47 minus 18. जुड़ जाएगा दोनों, है ना? तो both negative will add 5. So you get minus का 65. So n minus 1 into minus का 5 by 2 is equals to minus 65. This minus and this minus cancel out. You will get n minus 1 is equals to 65 into 2 upon 5. 5 ones are 5, 3s are 15. So n minus 1 equals to 26. 13 into 2, 26. So n is equals to 26 plus 1, which is equals to 27. So the value of n is 27. Therefore, how many terms are there in this AP? 27. Because the last term is the 27th term of this AP. ये minus 47 इस AP का 27th term है, और यही last term था. Therefore, there are 27 terms in this given AP. Let's move on to the next one. Dot. ठीक है, हमें ये find करना है we need to check whether minus 150 is the term of this AP or not. So as we have seen in the example, that if the value of n comes out in whole number, therefore this will be the term of this given AP, else it is not if it comes out to be in fraction or decimal. So let's see. So we will suppose that nth term of this given arithmetic progression is minus 150. हम मान लेते हैं, है ना? मैथ में मानते रहते हैं. So let nth term of this AP be 150. We'll put the formula a plus n minus 1 into d is equals to minus 150. What is the value of a? A is 11. ठीक है. n minus 1 and d is 8 minus 11. How much will be? Minus का 3. 8 minus 11 करोगे तो कितना है? d is equals to 8 minus 11 equals to minus 3. है ना? So d is minus 3 equals to minus 150. इस 11 को उधर ले जाओ. n minus 1 into minus 3 is equals to minus 150 and minus 11 जुड़ेगा. You will get minus 161. So n minus 1 into minus 3 is equals to minus 161. Minus and minus cancel out. You will get n minus 1 equals to 161 upon 3. Okay, or let it be. We will write here like this. We will get n minus 1 into 3 is equals to 161. n minus 1 into 3 is equals to 161. 3 को multiplication किया. 3n minus 3 is equals to 161. So 3n equals to 161 plus 3. So 3n is equals to 164. So n is equals to 164 upon 3. Let's see whether it is divisible or not. 3 5s are 15. Then 1 बचा, 3 4s are 12. Since we are not getting in whole number, therefore minus 150 is not the term of this arithmetic progression. I hope it is clear. अगर ये minus 150 इस AP का term होता, तो n की value we would have gotten whole number. Okay, let's move on to the next one. That is question number 7, 38, and the 16th term is 73, and 16th term is 73. So these are the information that is given to us. Okay, these are the pieces of information that are given to us. That is, we need to find out the 11th term of this given arithmetic progression, whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. Let's see how to do this one. We'll apply the formula Tn equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. Okay, if we are able to get the values of a and d, then we can easily find out the 31st term of this given arithmetic progression. चलो, तो इधर पे अगर इस पे अप्लाई करें this formula, so you'll get T11 equals to 38 it is given. So it will be a plus 10d equals to 38. This is equation number 1. If I apply the same formula here, we'll get a plus 15d is equals to 73. This is equation number 2. So we have got the two equations, two linear equations in two variables. So we'll be solving it by elimination method. That will be easier to do it. So a plus 10d, I'll write here 38. चलो, दोनों equations को solve करेंगे. We'll subtract a and a cancel out. 15 minus 10 minus का 5d. 15 minus 10 5d equals to. This will be 35. So d is equals to, you'll get 35 upon 5, that is 7. So you have got the value of d as 7. D equals to 7. If I put the value of d is equals to 7 to get the value of a, ठीक है, चाहे इस पे रख दो और in either of the two equations you can place the value of d to get the value of a. Suppose I am putting here, so I'll get a plus 10 and d is how much? D 7 is equals to 38. So a is equals to 70 equals to 38. So plus a is equals to 38 minus 70. तो 70 में 38 minus करो, so you'll get 32. A is equals to minus 32. So we have got the values of a and d. A is minus 32 and d is 7. Okay, चलो a और d की वैल्यू मिल गई. Now we can easily find out the 30th term of the sequence. So 31st term. So T31 will be A plus 30D. T31 equals to T31 equals to A plus 30D. Put the value of A. A की value कितनी है? -32. चलो भाई -32 plus 30 and the value of D is 7. So how much you will get? -32 210. Subtract 210 में से 32 you subtract. So 210 minus 32 you will get 8. फिर 0 178 is equals to 178. Therefore, the 31st term of this sequence is 178. I hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next question. That is question number 8. Total number of terms is equals to 50. Okay. One information I have written. Then, of which the third term is 12, and third term is given 12. A भी मान लिया. And the last term is 106, and the last term is 106. We need to find out the 29th term. T29 equals to how much? So these are the pieces of information that are given to us. Now this AP consists of 50 terms. है ना? इस AP में कितने term है? 50 term है. And the last term is 106. तो ये last term कौन सा होगा? ये 50th term ही तो होगा. This will be 106 will be the 50th term. Again you understand. See, this AP consists of 50 terms. है ना? एक AP एक sequence given है, उसमें कितने terms हैं? There are total number of terms are 50. And this 106 is the last term of that given AP. अब देखो, अगर एक AP में ऐसे करके पहला term, दूसरा, तीसरा, चौथा, fifth, sixth, and so on up till 50 terms are there. Total number of terms are 50. Now third term is given 12. ठीक है? Third term is 12. We need to find out the 29th term and the last term is given 106. और इसमें कितने terms है? 50 terms है, तो last term क्या होगा? 106. 50th term will be 106. I hope you have understood. Therefore, the 50th term is 106 and the third term is 12. So let's apply the formula. तो formula apply करेंगे. T3 is equals to is given 12. We will get A plus 2D equals to 12. We will find out the value of A and D. So we have got first equation from here. Now this is the last term and there are 50 terms. So 50th term of this AB is 106. So A plus 49D equals to 106. We'll be solving both these equations. Okay, so we'll put here by eliminating to get the values of A and D. 12 subtract करेंगे. So A and A will cancel out. 49 minus 2 40 ठीक है. This will be 4 then 94. So D is equals to 94 upon 47 2 times. So D is equals to 2. So we have got the value of D. D को इधर रखेंगे to get the value of A. A plus 2 into 2 is equals to 12. A plus 4 is equals to 12. A is equals to 12 minus 4 equals to 8. So we have got the value of A as 8 and D is 2. है ना? A की वैल्यू कितनी होगी? A की वैल्यू 8 है और D की वैल्यू 2 है. So we'll put the value of A and D to get the value of T29. Now what is the formula to find out the 29th term? है ना? यही find करना था 29th term. So T29 equals to A plus 28T. The value of A is 8. रख दो भाई. 28 and the value of D is 2. We'll put here to get the value of T29. Let's see how to do this one. So 8 plus attach with 156. So we get 64. Therefore, the 29th term of this AP is 64. Okay? I hope you have understood. Let's move on to the next question. -8 respectively. Which term of the AP is 0? Which term of the AP is 0? This we need to find out. ठीक है, क्या गिवन है कि थर्ड टर्म AP is 4 and the ninth term of this given AP is -8. So first of all we'll find out the values of A and D. So we'll apply the formula A plus 2D is equals to 4. इस पे अप्लाई करेंगे तो A plus 8D is equals to -8. We'll be solving both these equations. So right here, okay, subtract both of them, distribute, cancel out. This will be 60 minus 12, 6 2s are, D is equals to -2. D is equals to -2. So we have got the value of D -2. D की वैल्यू इधर रखेंगे. To get the value of A plus 2 into D is -2 is equals to 4. A minus 4 is equals to 4. A is equals to 8. So we have got A is equals to 8 and D is equals to -2. Now what we need to find out, which term of this arithmetic progression is 0. So let us suppose that the nth term, and it will be 0 since the common difference is -2. If the common difference of a positive AB, है ना, इसमें सारे terms positive हो रहे हैं, since the common difference is -2, we will have, let us suppose that the nth term of this AB is 0. है ना, क्या suppose किया कि nth term of this AB is 0 and we will find out the value of n. Let's apply the formula A plus n minus 1 into D equals to 0. What is the value of A that we have found out? The value of A is 8. तो A की वैल्यू उठा के इधर पे रखते हैं, ठीक है. 8 plus n minus 1 and D is how much? D is -2. तो D इधर -2 रख दो भाई, ठीक है, रख दिया. So how much you get? 8 को उधर ले लो, it will be negative. तो n minus 1 into -2 is equals to minus का 8. This much you have understood? -2 and -2 cancel out. Then 2 4s are 8. You'll get n minus 1 is equals to 4 or n is equals to 5. So we have got the value of n as 5. Therefore, the fifth term of this AP is 0. What will be the answer? The fifth term of this AP is 0. I hope you have understood. Try to solve the questions. Then only you will understand it better, things better. है ना, मैथमेटिक्स लर्न करने का there is only one formula, practice, practice and only practice, isn't it? There is no other formula to learn mathematics. The more you practice, the more confident you will be. So let's solve the next one. That is question number 10. Question number 10. The 17th term exceeds the 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. We need to find out what will be the common difference of this arithmetic progression. ठीक है, ये given है कि 17th term 10th term से कितना ज्यादा है? 7. It means that the difference between the 17th term and the 10th term is 7. So we need to find out the value of D. So we'll put the formula Tn is equals to A plus n minus 1 into D, and the value of n here will be 17. A plus 16D. ठीक है, रख दिया. T17 की वैल्यू, then minus sign, then T10, A plus 9D equals to 7. Solve it, you'll get A plus 16D minus 8 minus 9D equals to 7. A and A cancel out. 16D minus 9, how much you'll get? 16D minus 9, 7D equals to 7. So D is equals to 7 upon 7, that is 1. So the common difference of this given sequence is, arithmetic sequence is 1. So we have got the value of D. Let's move on to the next one, that is question number 11. Then the AP is given 3, 15, 27, 3, 15, 27, 39 will be 132 more than its 54th term. Which term of this AP will be 132 more than its 54th term? This is given. ठीक है, इस AP का कौन सा टर्म उसके 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा है? इसका मतलब ये हुआ, फिर से समझो, इस AP का कौन सा टर्म इसके 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा है? Which term of this given arithmetic progression is 132 more than its 54th term? है ना, तो हम मान लेते हैं कि nth टर्म इस AP का nth टर्म, हमने सपोज किया कि nth टर्म इस AP का इसके 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा है, ठीक है। हमने सपोज किया कि nth टर्म में CP का इसके 54th टर्म से 132 ज्यादा है। So what equation we'll get? Since the nth term of this given sequence, arithmetic sequence, is greater than its 54th term by 130, and what we need to find out? We need to find out which term. Okay, we need to find out the value of n. So let us put the formula. What is the formula to find out the nth term? A plus n minus 1 into d. Minus. Then the formula to find out the 54th term, a plus 53d is equals to 132. I hope you have understood. Okay, very simple. Now we'll open it. So we'll get a plus n minus 1 into d. Then minus a minus 53d equals to 132. Simple algebra, isn't it? Now this a and a will cancel out. What we are left with? n minus 1 into d minus 53d equals to 132. So we can take d common from here. So when we take d common, what we get? We get n minus 1. D common here, so minus 53 into d is equals to 132. So this will be n minus 54 into d is equals to 132. Now what is the value of d? We can easily find out from the sequence. 15 minus 3, how much will get? 12. है ना? d is equals to कितना है? अगर इस सीक्वेंस से निकालो, d is equals to 15 minus 3, that is 12. So we have got the value of d as 12. So we'll put 12 here, the value of d. So what we get? We will get n minus 54, and d is how much? 12 equals to 132. So n minus 54 is equals to 132 upon 12. 12 ones are 12 ones are. So n is equals to 11 plus 54, that is n is equals to 65. So we have got the value of n as 65. It means that the 65th term of this arithmetic progression is 132 more than its 54th term. So therefore the answer is 65th term of this AP. And now 65th term of this AP is 132 more than its 54th term. I hope it is clear. Let's move on to the next one. Question number 12. Two APs are given, AP1 and AP2, and they have got the same common difference. But the first term, इसका suppose करो A1 है और इसका first term suppose that it is A2. And the common difference of this one is D and this one is also D, because both have got the same common difference. Okay, two APs have the same common difference. Then the difference between their 100th term is 100. What is the difference between their 1000th term? ठीक, ये given है. The difference between 100th term minus t dash 100 is equals to 100. We need to find the difference between their 1000th term कितना होगा. We need to find out the difference between their 1000th term. ठीक है? Suppose the 100th term of this AP is denoted by T100 and the 100th term of this AP is denoted by T dash 100. Okay? Let the first term be A and A dash. इसका first term ले लो A dash. That will be better, isn't it? क्योंकि इधर T dash लिया ना. And common difference is same, that is D. Okay. So we'll apply the formula here because since this is given to us, this equation is given. So we'll apply A plus 99D. है ना? A plus n minus 1 into D लगाएंगे. Minus here also A dash, क्योंकि इसका पहला टर्म क्या है? Its first term is A dash plus 99. Don't write D dash because common difference is same in both the cases, equals to 100. So what I'll get? I'll get A plus 99D minus A dash minus 99D equals to 100. So 99D plus का और minus का will cancel out. what you'll get? You'll get a minus a dash equals to 100. Please note it down. So we will get a minus a dash is equals to 100. Now I have to rub this one. Now what we need to find out? We need to find out the difference between its thousandth term. है ना, इसके thousandth term का difference निकालना है. चलो भाई. So we need to find out t 1000 minus t dash 1000 equals to. ठीक है? This इसकी वैल्यू फाइंड करना है. So this will be a plus 999t minus, and this will be a dash, क्योंकि इसका फर्स्ट टर्म क्या है? It is a dash plus 999d. Don't write d dash because common difference is same in both the cases. Okay, a plus 999d minus a dash minus 999d. This positive and negative will cancel out. We will get a minus a dash. And what was the value of a minus a dash that we have to calculate it? It is 100. So we can write a minus a dash equals to 100. Therefore, t 1000 minus t dash 1000 term is equals to 100. So we have got the difference between its 1000th term is also 100. है ना? Let's move on to the next question. Numbers are divisible by 7. Okay, this we need to find. How many? Sorry, not 2 digit, 3 digit. How many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7? Okay. What is the first 3 digit number? The first 3 digit number is 1000. ठीक, पहला 3 digit number क्या है? 1000. And the last, sorry, it is 100, not 1000. 1004 digit का हो जाएगा. ठीक है? So first 3 digit number will be 100. What will be the last 3 digit number? ऐसा sequence क्या? 999. This will be the last 3 digit number. But we need to find out that how many 3 digit numbers that are divisible by 7. है ना? 3 digit number कितने होंगे? From 100 till 999. Okay? Now, so which will be the first 3 digit number which is divisible by 7? So we need to find out that. Okay, 100 divide by 7 से. 7 minus 2, how much will get? 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. We'll add 5 to 100. So the first will be 105. In order to get the last number which is divisible by 7, we'll divide 999 by 7 and let's find out. So 999 को divide करेंगे हम 7 से. 7 1 is 7. Then so we are left with 5. Okay. So what we'll do? We'll subtract 5 from 999. How much you'll get? 999 में अगर हम 5 minus करते हैं, we'll get 994. So we'll get 994. Let's check whether 994 is divisible by 7 or not. Let us check whether 994 is divisible by 7 or not. 994. Okay. Therefore, we have got the first 3 digit number which is divisible by 7 and the last 3 digit number which is divisible by 7, that is 994. Then we need to find out how many 3 digit numbers are divisible by 7. So we have got the sequence, the first term and the last term, and the common difference will be 7 since the number is divisible by 7. Okay. So the last term of this, another term is given of this sequence is 994. So we'll put the formula a plus n minus 1 into t equals to 994. So we will, what is the value of a? A is 105. ठीक है, 105 plus n minus 1 and d is how much? D is 7. 994. 105 को उधर ले जाओ. So you'll get n minus 1 into 7. 994 minus 105. 8 and here 889. So you'll get n minus 1 into 7 equals to 889. So n minus 1 is equals to 889 upon 7. इसको डिवाइड करो 889 को 7 से. So 127 you get 127. So you get n minus 1 is equals to 127 or n is equals to 128. Therefore, how many terms of 3 digits are divisible by 7? There are 128 numbers of 3 digits that are divisible by 7. Now try to solve the rest of the questions and the questions that I have covered here. Then we will continue in the next class. Till then, study well. Good luck. And do